before you watch this video, can you go down to that little button that says subscribe, hit it. It's free to join. I'm not charging you anything, or YouTube is not charging you anything to subscribe to my channel. It's completely free. It'll really help my channel grow. Now let's go to the video. I'm going to show you how to adjust your brake pedal. 2019 Ryker Rally. I'm sure that it applies to the 2019 all the way to 21. Might be the same on the 22s, but not sure. I'm only showing you on the 2019 Ryker Rally, all right? See where these foot pegs are? When you look down here, on the bottom of your Ryker, there's numbers. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that's where you can lift this up. If it's too hard for you, use a rubber mallet and I'll bring it up a little bit with a little WD-40 so it can loosen up. You know, then it makes it easier to move back and forth to adjust your foot peg. But your brake pedal is here, so if you pull on it, it comes out. Find the spot that you wanna use on your brake pedal, and you can leave it there, push it back in, or you can choose to bring it down a little bit more, and that's how you adjust your brake pedal. Just make sure that it goes all the way back in, because it can stay stuck out and then this won't go down. And to level this, if you look between here, the number should be right there. Then you pull this down. Once you have that number there, same thing. If you want to, you know, bring it down to number 3, you bring it there, look through the little window. I'll look through right here, I line it up, and then I can bring this down. It's a little tricky. You just got to play with it a little bit. It'll allow you to bring it back up and you could adjust it. Just be patient with it, and that's it. And just push it back in. I want to bring this back up to 4. That's where I've been riding at for a while. That's where I like it. Push it in, bring this down, and your foot brake and foot pegs have been adjusted. All right, well, if you found any of that informative, please like, comment, and subscribe. Please subscribe to the channel.